Waiter, can you come here, please?
Yes, madam. What seems to be the problem?
Look at my soup. What is wrong? There is a small bug in my soup.
Oh no, I am very sorry. This should not happen. I completely understand. I will replace it right away.
No, I don't want this soup anymore.
I can bring you a new dish, and you won't have to pay for this one.
That's fine, thank you. Please make sure it's clean this time.
Yes, madam. I will talk to the chef immediately.
Okay, I will wait, patiently.
Thank you for your understanding. I will be careful next time.
Thank you for waiting, David. Have you seen my wallet?
No. Where did you last put it?
I think I left it on the kitchen counter.
Did you check your bag?
Yes, it's not there.
How about your jacket pocket?
Empty. Maybe on the dining table?
Let me see. Only my keys are there.
Sofa cushions?
Checked. Not here.
Bathroom, maybe?
Good idea. Nope, not there.
Strange. We can't go out without it.
Did you check your jeans?
Wait. Yes, here it is.
Finally!
I was so worried. Next time, put it in one place.
You're right. Let's go now.
Yes, before we miss the bus.
Oh no, it's leaving!
Run, quickly!
We missed it.
What time is the next one?
In 15 minutes.
Too long. We'll be late for work.
Should we call a taxi?
It's expensive, but faster.
Or we could walk.
It's too far. Let's book a taxi.
I'll check the app. One's 4 minutes away.
Good, we still have a chance.
I hate missing the bus.
Me too. Let's wake up earlier tomorrow.
Deal. Oh, my phone just died.
Really?
Zero battery. It shut off.
Did you bring a charger?
No, forgot. And the power bank is at home.
Oh no. How will we call the taxi? Oh no.
Do you have your phone?
Only 15% left.
Be careful. Don't waste it.
Should we ask someone for help?
Maybe. That man looks kind. Or a cafe with Wi-Fi and sockets.
Good idea. We can charge and have coffee there.
Perfect. Until then, let's stay calm.
I feel lost without my phone.
Me too. It's like my map and clock.
Let's walk to that cafe.
Good. We'll recharge and relax.
That sounds great.
Eliana, are we lost?
Which street is this?
I don't know. It's not on the map.
Did you save the hotel address?
Yes, but no signal.
Mine is only 5% battery.
Oh no! What now?
Let's find a street sign. Main Street.
But the hotel is on King Street.
Then we're far. Should we take a taxi?
Yes, but where to find one?
Near that square, maybe. Let's walk.
Look, a man selling maps.
Perfect. Let's buy one.
Here's cash. Excuse me, can we buy a map?
Sure, here you go.
Now we can find the hotel.
Let's sit and check the map.
2 blocks away.
That's so close. Finally, problem solved.
David, did you hear that?
Hear what?
Our neighbor knocking.
Hello, is everything okay?
Sorry to disturb, but it's very loud tonight.
Oh no, we didn't realize.
We were just celebrating.
I understand, but it's midnight.
You're right. We should lower the volume.
Yes, we'll turn it down.
Thank you. I have work early tomorrow.
Sorry for the noise.
We appreciate you telling us.
Maybe next time, invite me?
That would help. Good night.
Good night.
Okay, music off. Maybe just talk.
Good idea.
David, where's Luna?
She was in the yard, but the gate is open.
Oh no, she ran away.
Don't worry, we'll find her.
What if she's lost?
Let's check the street first.
Luna! Luna!
I'll look near the park.
I'll check by the shops.
Do you have her photo?
Yes, we can ask people.
Good idea.
Wait, I hear barking.
Where?
Near that tree.
Luna, come here!
She's running back.
Thank God. Don't scare us again.
I'm so happy she's safe.
Eliana, the lights went out.
Yeah, the whole house is dark.
Did you pay the electricity bill?
Yes. Then why?
Maybe the street lost power too.
Check outside. Are there lights?
No, all houses are dark.
So it's the whole neighborhood.
We can use candles and flashlights.
Good idea. Where is the flashlight?
In the kitchen drawer.
Found it. At least we can see.
I'll call the power company.
What did they say?
2 hours to restore.
2 hours. Okay, we can relax.
Maybe play cards.
Oh no, I spilled coffee on my shirt.
Don't panic. Change it.
But this is my favorite one.
You have others in the closet.
They're not good for work.
Just pick a clean one.
Should I wash it quickly?
No, won't dry.
Why today of all days?
It's okay. You still look fine.
Easy for you to say.
Need help?
Yes, get me the blue shirt.
Here it is.
Thanks. Does it match my pants?
Yes, perfect.
Are you sure?
100%.
Okay, I feel better.
Good. Let's go.
Wait, the car feels strange.
I think it's a flat tire.
Really? Not today.
I'll stop.
Are we late for work?
Time check, 8:15. Only 30 minutes. Don't worry, I'll check the tire. Is it bad?
Yes, flat.
Spare tire in trunk?
Yes,
Can you change it quickly?
I'll try. Hand me the jack.
Here it is. Need help?
Just hold the flashlight.
Working?
Almost done.
Don't worry, tire is on.
You did it!
Let's go. Still on time.
Thanks. Teamwork. David, I tried on the new jacket.
How does it feel?
Too tight. I can't move freely.
Oh no. Didn't you check the size?
I did, but it feels smaller than expected.
Maybe the store uses different sizing.
It's uncomfortable.
Can you return it?
I think so. I still have the receipt.
Great. Take it back tomorrow.
But I really liked it.
You can exchange it for a bigger size.
Do you think they will have it?
Probably. Or you could choose another style.
I don't want another style.
Don't worry, we'll fix it.
How about your shirt?
Honestly, it's too big.
So both of us have problems.
Next time, we must try clothes in the store.
Agreed. No more online quick shopping.
Tomorrow, we'll go together and choose carefully.
Deal. Perfect. Problem solved. Did you bring cash for groceries?
Oh no, I forgot.
Do they accept cards?
Let's ask. Cash or card?
Sorry, our card machine is broken today. That's bad. We don't have cash.
Is there an ATM nearby?
Yes, across the street.
I'll wait here with the groceries.
Hurry back.
No problem. I'll be fast.
Don't forget extra cash this time.
Lesson learned.
Do you know what day it is?
Thursday?
It's my birthday.
Oh no, I forgot again.
You forgot again?
I'm so sorry. I even gave you hints yesterday.
I thought it was next week.
Unbelievable. Wait, I'll make it up to you.
How?
Dinner at your favorite restaurant tonight, and cake.
Of course. Big chocolate cake?
And a gift too.
You better.
Can you forgive me?
Only if the dinner is really nice.
Deal, I promise.
Don't forget next year.
Never again, I swear.
Okay, now say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Eliana.
David, it's raining.
Oh no, I forgot the umbrella.
Again, you always forget.
I thought it would be sunny today.
Look at the sky. It's dark.
What should we do? We'll get wet walking home.
Maybe we can run?
Run? I'm wearing new shoes.
Then maybe find a shop.
Good idea. Let's wait inside.
Or buy a new umbrella.
Yes, better. Is there a shop nearby?
Across the street.
But we'll get wet crossing.
Let's wait for the rain to slow down.
Next time, I'll remember.
You always say that.
This time, I mean it.
Do we need milk?
Almost out. How many bottles?
2, just to be safe.
You drink milk every morning.
And sometimes at night.
Bread?
Whole grain.
Eggs?
1 pack.
Fruits?
Apples and bananas.
You always pick bananas.
Easy to eat.
Rice?
1 big bag.
Last, coffee.
Finished this morning. Can't live without coffee.
I know you too well.
I have a headache.
Since when?
This morning.
Let's stop at the pharmacy.
Good idea. Need tablets.
Should we ask the pharmacist?
Yes. Safer.
Vitamin C too?
Maybe. Helps with energy.
Anything else?
Lozenge for throat.
Got it.
Thanks, David.
You're welcome. Drink water and rest.
David, what should we watch tonight?
There's a new action movie.
I want comedy.
You always pick comedy.
I like to laugh.
Okay, comedy it is. What's the title?
A Crazy Day at Work.
Sounds fun. Starts at 7:30.
Do we have time to eat first?
Yes, if we hurry.
Should we buy tickets online?
Yes, faster.
Don't forget popcorn.
Large or medium?
Large.
2 drinks?
Yes, perfect. Movie night ready. Where's my passport?
Check your bag.
Wait, here it is.
You always panic before flights.
I thought I lost it.
Relax, still time. Boarding in 20 minutes.
Gate 12?
This way.
Should we get coffee first?
Just 1 cup.
Deal. Flight is 2 hours.
I'll read and watch a movie.
Want the window seat?
You can have it.
Thank you, kind sir.
Weather perfect today. Sunny, not too hot.
Let's walk by the lake.
Good idea. Look, ducks.
So cute. Feed them?
Sure. Bread here.
Careful, they might chase you.
Then I'll run faster.
Let's sit on that bench.
I like this view.
Do you come here often?
Only weekends.
We should come more.
Peaceful.
Nice break from work.
Ice cream later?
Always. Vanilla.
Chocolate for me.
Perfect match.
Hey, what are you two doing here?
Just relaxing by the lake.
Feeding ducks and enjoying the view.
Looks fun. Mind if I join?
Of course.
Grab some bread. Feed the ducks with us.
This is so relaxing.
Good to have friends.
Yes, makes it even better.
Are you two staying long?
Maybe until sunset.
Then we'll grab ice cream.
Sounds perfect.
It's been a crazy day. Glad it's ending peacefully.
Totally agree.
Thanks for coming, Anna.
Anytime.
Let's take a selfie here.
Great idea.
Smile!
Perfect shot.
Memories for our trip.
Yes, can't wait to share with family.
Ready for ice cream now?
Definitely.
This day turned out amazing, despite the morning chaos.
Shows we can handle anything together.
True. Adventures and little problems make it memorable.
Exactly.
David, I'm tired, but happy.
Same here.
Let's plan another trip soon.
Agreed. Maybe next weekend?
Deal.
Count me in.
Great. Adventures with friends make it even better.
Thank you, David, for being patient all day.
Always, Eliana.
And thank you, Anna.
My pleasure.
Let's enjoy the sunset before heading home.
Perfect ending.
Let's walk by the lake.
Good idea. Look, ducks.
They're so cute. Want to feed them?
Sure, I have some bread.
Be careful. They might chase you.
Then I'll run faster.
Let's sit on that bench for a bit.
Okay, I like this view.
Do you come here often?
Only on weekends.
We should come more.
Yes, it's peaceful here.
A nice break from work.
Do you want ice cream later?
Always. Vanilla for me.
I'll get chocolate.
Perfect match.
Let's take a photo to remember today.
Great idea. Smile.
This was so much fun. We should do it again.
Absolutely.
Thanks for joining us, Anna.
My pleasure.